In this video, I'll guide you through the exact steps on how to send photos in TikTok messages even if the direct photo icon isn't appearing in your DMs, using practical workarounds to ensure you can still share your images on the platform. While TikTok has integrated direct photo sharing, many users still experience this frustrating issue where the option goes missing or the feature is unavailable. I'll show you crucial alternatives if you still can't get that icon to appear, so you can send photos on TikTok messages in 2025. Hello, and welcome to the 3 Minutes Fix channel. So if you don't have the option to send images in your TikTok DM, here are 2 workarounds. The first is by using a shared link. This involves hosting the image somewhere outside of TikTok, then sharing the link with your TikTok friend via DM. To begin, upload the photo to a reliable cloud storage service like Google Drive, Dropbox, Imager, or similar, ensuring it provides a shareable link. In this tutorial, we'll use a shared image on Google Drive. Once uploaded, copy the shareable link for the photo. Next, open a TikTok message with your recipient, paste the copied link into the text field, and send the message. The recipient can then simply click the link to view the photo on the cloud service and possibly download it if they wish. This is a versatile way to send a picture through TikTok messages, even without the built-in option. Another common and reliable method to send a photo on TikTok DM is by creating a private photo video or photo dump post and then sharing that privately. Here's how. First, tap the plus icon at the bottom of your TikTok screen to create a new post. Select Upload and choose the photo or multiple photos you wish to send from your gallery. Proceed to the editing screen. You can add music, text, or effects if you like. Crucially, on the post screen, set the privacy of this post to only me or friends. This ensures your photo isn't public and will only be visible to you or your selected friends once posted. After posting, go to your profile, find that private photo post, and tap the 3 dots or the share icon. From the sharing options, you can then select the direct message icon and choose the person you want to share it with. This effectively allows you to send a picture in TikTok DM even without the direct icon in the chat. Check the description below for more TikTok tips and to explore other helpful video tutorials. If you found this video valuable and want to see more content like this, consider subscribing and hitting the like button. If you have any questions or need further guidance, feel free to leave a comment, and I'll be happy to help. Click this card here for more TikTok video tutorials. Thanks for watching.